In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to return non-returnable items on Amazon. If you've ever ordered something that shows up as non-returnable, it can be confusing to figure out what your options are. I'll walk you through where to go on the site and what to look for so you can quickly understand what Amazon allows for your specific order. First, open your browser and go to Amazon.com. Make sure you're signed into the account that actually placed the order. If you have multiple accounts or share a device, double check you're in the right one so you see the correct orders. Using a desktop browser makes the next steps easier to follow since the layout places key links in predictable spots. Next, look to the top right of the Amazon homepage and click the Returns and Orders link. This opens your full order history. Here you'll see your recent purchases along with delivery dates and action buttons for each order. If you don't immediately see the item you're concerned about, you can adjust the date range or use the search bar to narrow it down by product name. Now, select the order you want to return. This takes you to a page that summarizes that purchase and shows any available options. This is the key place where Amazon indicates whether an item is returnable. For products marked as non-returnable, such as certain perishable items, personal care products, hazardous materials, customized goods, or digital content, you may not see a Return or Replace Items button. Instead, you might see messages that explain the policy or point to alternatives that apply only in certain situations, like when an item arrives damaged or defective. If your order includes multiple items, review each item's status individually, since some may be returnable while others are not. Amazon typically displays eligibility, time windows, and any special notes right alongside the item details. Take a moment to read any alerts or policy notes on that page. They often clarify whether a refund, replacement, or support option might be available even when a standard return isn't. A few practical tips as you review the order page. Check the delivery date to understand timing. Since return or resolution windows are time sensitive, keep your original packaging and take clear photos if there was damage or a defect. Those details can make it easier to resolve issues. Also remember that items sold by third-party sellers can have different policies, and Amazon will usually display those conditions on the order screen. Once you've selected the order, Amazon will show exactly what can be done next. Review the options presented on that page and you'll know the best path forward for your non-returnable item.